Welcome to this short presentation on the PROFESS 12 project. We'll begin with a short introduction to the PROFESS 12 project, introduce the partners, explain a little more about the objectives and work packages involved in the project, and finish with the timeline. PROFESS 12 stands for Professional Skills for Engineering Students, a summer school to achieve SDG 12. And the PROFESS 12 project is really based around developing skills for engineering students. The project is funded by the North-South Research Programme. When developing this project, we wanted to focus on two things. The first were the Sustainable Development Goals, and the second was on skills that engineering students need in order to help achieve these goals. As we developed the design of the project, we wanted to focus specifically on SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, as this particularly applies to engineering students. A lot of the literature that we read also indicated the importance of developing intercultural skills in order that students can work together to achieve the SDGs. Therefore, we brought both of these aspects together to design the PROFESS 12 Summer School, which is one of the key components of the project. There are two partners on this North-South Research Programme project, which aims to bring together researchers in Ireland North and Ireland South. They are TU Dublin and Ulster University, with the main contacts being Una Began and Margaret Morgan. The details are shown here if you wish to get in contact. There are four objectives to the PROFESS 12 project. The first is to look at prioritising the professional skills that engineers will need to meet the SDGs. The second is to compare and contrast stakeholder views on the importance of specific professional skills. And by stakeholders in this project, we mean people from the North and people from the South, and also academics, employers, and engineering students. The third objective is to co-create and test an innovative summer school with students from the North and South. And our final objective is to use this project to better understand each other's cultural backgrounds and to build on existing synergies between researchers, academics and students in the North and South. There are four work packages in the project. Work Package 1 focused on a literature review and designed a survey to gather views on what professional skills were important for engineers. This led to Work Package 2, which is a large data analysis work package, which investigates, from the responses to the survey, differences in key stakeholder perceptions. Parallel to this, Work Package 3 involves the design and co-creation of the PROFESS 12 Summer School. And finally, Work Package 4 is all about evaluation, looking at what we have done and whether it was worthwhile, with feed-forward advice for the next iteration of the project. The outputs of Work Package 1 include a literature review, a project report which describes the literature on the skills needed for sustainability. The second part of Work Package 1 included the design of a professional skills survey, which was circulated to employers, academics and engineering students in the North and South. Work Package 2 was the analysis package, which identified if there are any differences in perceptions between North and South or the different stakeholders of employers, academics and students. The largest work package is Work Package 3, which is the design and organisation of the PROFESS 12 Summer School. The summer school itself starts with a launch day in March of 2023, an opportunity for students to get to know each other. And the summer school itself lasts for 2 days in the north and 2 days in the south. The output from Work Package 4 is a summer school toolkit, which can be used by other academics who want to run this type of summer school in their own organisation. The project began in July 2022, and we have already completed the literature review, and the professional skills survey is underway. We are planning the co-creation exercises with students in January 2023, and the summer school itself will have a launch day in March 2023 to coincide with the World Engineering Day on Sustainable Development. The summer school itself will take place in May and June 2023. We will follow this with the evaluation and the creation of the toolkit leading into the end of the project. Finally, I'd just like to acknowledge the HEA and the North-South Research Programme for the funding for this project. And I'd also like to thank the academics, employers and students who both contributed to the survey, were involved in the co-creation exercise and participated in the summer school itself. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.